Hello, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So I've simply got here on the Gx200 6.5 horsepower, 150 bar at 14 litres per minute, W154 Interpump with RS99 reduction gearbox. Quick release, water inlet suction, can also go straight off a tap. Prime valve here to prime it up, and obviously what we're going to do is start this machine straight away. So it isn't under, so we'll turn the switch onto on position. This machine's just been started a little while ago, so chokes on, everything else. Gentle pull. Obviously you'll see the water coming up. Wind up. Close the valve. VARIO nozzle. What we can do, turn that forward to let low pressure, pull again, that will change all that. That gives all the variation on the nozzle. That's at the low pressure. As you finish off, as you come to finish off, open the prime valve. We'll do no harm whatsoever. Get the water out of the piston. Disconnect the high pressure hose. Water inlet. Knock the machine off. You're then frost protected. The whole circuit's open. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Q Service, eBay and YouTube.